And hello there, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to one episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the early releases of 30 Minute Sisters. I have SASD00 or Never. I think that's how you pronounce the name. And as you can see in the box art, she is kind of like a matte girl kind of theme. Yep. And off to the side, yes, here is Neverlia. The three different facial expressions that she has, one without the armor and one with the armor where she looks like a bat lady, and of course some action poses that you can do with her. And off to the other side, here it is, Aurelia, and of course it tells you that you can, you know, integrate it or customize it with the other 30 minutes label at the time, which is 30 minutes mission. And of course, let's go inside and see what's inside the box. So here it is, the three different facial expressions that I said. This one has a tongue. One bag with dark blue and light blue or purplish color. Another bag with purple, black, and a staff part. Another bag is with silver or sorry, gray, black, and a multicolored sprue. And of course, we have the instruction manual of Neverlia here. We're in a sister form like this, and then you can do other poses with her, and of course with the armor. And at that time, you can integrate it with other 30 minutes mission or swap it with other parts for the 30 minutes sisters for different body types. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. So first up, we have the A screw here, which is a multicolored screw. We see some purple, some dark purple, light purple, and of course some flesh colored parts there. And we have a B screw, which is all of that dark purple again, or should I call it violet? And C screw here, lighter color shade of purple or violet. Pick your poison, guys. D screw here, lighter shade of the purple. Back to the dark shade of purple with E screw here. And we have an F screw here, which is the darker color again with some parts of the armor. We have some joints here. And we have some hair parts. And of course, the face parts are here again. And they gave you a PVC tubing, which is used for the tail later on. And there you have it, Miss fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the SIS D00 or number 8 of the 30 Minute Sisters, Neverlia. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, view the videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.